How to add AI pump token to bitget wallet. Now, to be able to add it, now first of all, open their websites. As you can see, you find here two types of token addresses, one under the base network and one under this one network. Now the process is the same. Now select one of these. For example, I will use this token address that I came under the base network. Now after you copy the token address from here, as you can see, go to and open your bitget wallet. Now after that, go to your wallet and select the base network from here. So after you select the base network, now go and click on this plus icon. Now type here or paste the token address that you copied from their website. I added before, but if you first time that you want to add it, you will see this plus icon, just click on it. Now after that, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. And as you can see, this is our token added successfully to our wallet. So this is how to add AI pump token to bitget wallet. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.